Well, my name's Curtis out of Atlanta. I've been in the Microsoft Azure Power BI space for a while now. I've been helping out companies, small startups to large enterprise public companies, get their data ready. For specifically, I focus a lot on the financial reporting and getting that ready for customers and clients.
Well,
So
that's fantastic. And I'll say the big thing that Curtis has done is, and why he's here, and what the subject for today is. Curtis is the author of PyTabular, which is the first Python-based framework for managing your tabular model inside of Notebook. Curtis, you were faced with like managing like 180 gig semantic model out in the service, and there was just all sorts of challenges and issues with that, and so that led you, and you had what, an 8 gig notebook at the time, so like.
yes, my computer I had like 8 gigs of RAM that was working for me, and nothing gets your heart pumping like an incident on quarter month end with an 8 gigs of RAM, trying to refresh and work with 180 gigs above model. So so you had to get a little bit flexible, and Python lets you do that, and that's why I built it.
They were like, they were awed and shocked. They never even considered this as a possibility.
I
Am I
mean,
right?
it's a classic problem, especially when enterprises grow and grow. If you have an army of data engineers, an army of analysts, there can oftentimes be a communication gap. I mean, that's quite literally almost why that analytics engineering kind of role is starting to come out. And so that bridge is very important.